Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you two tasty breakfast recipes. One is Aval Dosa. Aval is nothing but flattened rice or poha, and the other is a very tasty mint chutney which goes very well with this Aval Dosa. So first let's get started and check out the Aval Dosa. For the spongy dosa, we need 2 cups of raw rice, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, add enough water and let it sit for about 2 hours. Aval dosa is famously known as sponge dosa or set dosa. Poha, that is aval, is easily digestible and it is low in calories. It is said to be rich in iron too. Soak the beaten rice in curd for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can see the beaten rice is absorbed the curd and it's become nice and dry. It's also soaked well, it's nice and soft. Now we're going to grind. So now I'm going to grind the raw rice and the beaten rice together. So add some salt. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of salt here. Add a little water and grind it. Add a little water till you get a nice smooth batter. So once the batter is done, let it sit for at least minimum for an hour before you start making your dosas. Heat the pan. Once it's hot, start making your dosas. So I've diluted the batter with a little water. You can see the batter is diluted. It shouldn't be too runny, it should just be right. Take 1 ladle of the batter and gently pour it in the middle of the pan. Keep it on low flame. Add a little oil to the sides. Just close it and let it cook. So you saw this lovely Aval dosa. Now this is something different from the regular dosas we make. It's very soft and very tasty. Now next, let's go and check out the mint chutney recipe. Take a white saucepan, add a little oil. Next add 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of Cumin Seeds. To this I'm going to add a few cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger cut up, 1 green chilli, 6 red chillies. Add a little tamarind, cut up a piece of tamarind into small bits. Here I have 2 small bunches of mint leaves that have been cleaned. Remove the stalk and just take the leaves. I'm going to add those. Mint is very good for an upset stomach or indigestion. Mint is also known for soothing common cold symptoms. Making mint part of your diet builds your immunity. So you can see the leaves are all shriveled up. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of coconut, fresh grated coconut to this, and a teaspoon of rock salt. If you don't have rock salt, you can use table salt, that's fine. So turn off the stove, cool the mixture, and we're going to just add a little water and grind it. So there you have this delicious mint chutney. Just add a little oil for tempering, some Urad Dal, mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, 1 red chilli, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida powder or hing, a few curry leaves. Turn off the stove. Now I'm going to just add the chutney to the tempered ingredients. So here is this tasty mint chutney recipe that we've seen. Now this Aval dosa and mint chutney makes for a great combo and also a great breakfast recipes. So do try these recipes and post in your comments and feedback in the comment section. Do try them, stay safe, stay healthy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.